uZuma kunye nomnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo bafuna bona kuphehulwe isahlulelo sekhotho ephakemeko esimemezele bona ukukhutshwa kwakaZuma ngeparoli yokugula bengasisemthethweni. Cwetha elijamele umnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo Advocate Mphahlele ugandelele bona akukho kumbi ngesiqundo sokukhupha uZuma ejele. Nanyana imphakamiso zebhodi yeparoli ziphikisana nalokho. Mphahlele uthi umbiko webhodi wadluliselwa kukommissionera wenarha, ibhodi yaphakamisa bona uZuma akakakulungeli ukukhutshwa ngeparoli yokugula.
And the report by the medical advisory and parole board therefore cannot be the one that makes that determination as to whether the sentenced offender is terminally ill or not. That report is an additional one wherein it will make a recommendation in terms of whether medical parole should be granted or not. So therefore it is not binding on the National Commissioner. It has been, as has been submitted by the respondent.
Qothelkhulu elijamele umengameli walokhuya uJacob Zuma udala Mpofu uveze inzathu wekhotho yokubuyekezwa kwamacala bona ubujamo bepilo kaZuma bebumvumela bona akhutshwe ngeparoli yokugula. Mpofu ngakengelithi abodokotela bahlola uZuma bathola ukuthi uZuma unokugula ongalaphekiko. Uthi umthetho womnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo unikele ukommissionera amandla okujamela nokunikela amalungelo wembotsha nokuhlogeka bona athole ichejo lezempilo.
Read that question before the question mark alongside the act. It says, is the offender, Mr. Zuma, suffering from a terminal disease or condition? And I'm saying it's a which is chronic. That terminal disease or condition, is it chronic? Yes.
Pofuthi bengana kuzwisisana kuhle ekuhlathululweni komthetho wokuhlengwa kwesimilo.